Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of machine learning and how it's transforming our lives with real-world applications and examples. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any of our easy-to-understand videos on complex topics. Application 1. Personalized recommendations. First up, let's talk about personalized recommendations. You know when you're scrolling through Netflix and it suggests a movie or show you might like? That's machine learning in action. Machine learning algorithms analyze your viewing history and preferences to predict and recommend content tailored just for you. Machine learning is like a personal movie critic, guiding you to the perfect film based on your unique tastes. Application 2. Virtual personal assistants. Next, we have virtual personal assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Amazon Alexa. These helpful AI companions use machine learning to understand your voice commands and provide relevant information or perform tasks on your behalf. Think of them as your very own digital butler, always ready to assist you with anything you need, from setting reminders to answering trivia questions. Application 3. Autonomous vehicles. Now, let's talk about autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars like Tesla's autopilot use machine learning to navigate the roads safely and efficiently. Imagine your car as an experienced driver who learns from every journey, constantly improving its skills and adapting to different situations. Machine learning turns your car into an ever-improving driver, adapting and growing with each journey. Application 4. Healthcare and medical diagnosis. Moving on to healthcare, machine learning is revolutionizing medical diagnosis and treatment. By analyzing medical images, these smart algorithms can help detect diseases in their early stages, improving patient outcomes. Imagine having a super smart doctor with the ability to analyze thousands of images in seconds, picking up on subtle details that could indicate a problem. Application 5. Fraud detection. Lastly, we have fraud detection in the banking industry. Machine learning algorithms can sift through countless financial transactions, identifying patterns that may indicate fraud or suspicious activity. Think of these algorithms as vigilant detectives, always on the lookout for anything out of the ordinary, keeping your hard-earned money safe and secure. Conclusion. So there you have it, just a few examples of machine learning in action, transforming our world and making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. It's essential to understand the impact of this cutting-edge technology, and we hope this video has helped you do just that. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brizi, and click the bell to stay updated on our latest content. Remember, every like, subscribe, and comment helps us create more content tailored to your needs, so don't hesitate to join the Brizi community today. Together, we'll continue to break down complex concepts and make learning fun and accessible for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.